What's up guys, this is Henry, and today we're taking a review between the Infinix Hot S3X here and the Infinix Hot S6. Both very similar looking devices from Infinix, and both of them have notches, and I suppose this is the design language Infinix wants to use for the remainder of the year. These phones look really similar, and I thought that it would be really good to do a comparison between them, since a lot of you also asked for a proper comparison between both of this device. So without wasting much time, we're going to be looking at device boot up speed, app launch time, memory management, and also camera comparison. So let's get straight into it, and I'm going to be starting with the device boot up times. So both devices now are powered off, and on my right here I have the Infinix Hot S3X, and here I have the Infinix Hot S6X. So I'm just going to power them 1, 2, 3. And both devices are coming up right now. So just to remind you of the specs on both of these devices, they both come with 4000 mAh battery. The Infinix Hot S3X here has 32 gig internal storage and 3 gig of RAM, while the Infinix Hot 6X here has 16 gig of internal storage and 2 gig of RAM. And as you can see, the Infinix Hot S3X came up faster than the Infinix Hot 6X. So let's go straight into the app startup speed for both of these devices. I'll show you here. I've cleared everything in memory, so they are both playing on level playing ground. Alright, so in terms of build quality, both these devices are very similar looking devices. They have the same design language. You would be hard pressed to see any difference between both of them. They also have the same build quality, but they use different materials behind. So this uses a glossy plastic, while this uses a matte plastic here. Exactly the same design language: camera placements, flash placements, fingerprint placements, branding placements, screen placements. Everything is exactly the same. So moving on, let's go straight into app start times. We're going to start up here with YouTube, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, that was weird. So the Infinix Hot 6X started a bit faster than the S3X. Gmail here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a weird one. The 6X seems to be starting faster, much faster than the Hot S3X. Let's do Google Maps. Okay, so the Hot S3X started a bit faster there. Let's do Google News. Alright, so the Hot S3X started faster there. Let's do Facebook. Alright, so the Hot S3X here seems to be picking up speed. Seems to be doing much better than the Hot 6X here. Let's try Instagram. And there you go. The Hot 6X has picked it up again. Let's try Twitter. Okay, so there you go. The Hot 6S again took that one. Let's try one more thing. Let's do the Play Store. Wow, and the Hot 6X again took that one. So I'm going to try some system apps like the Call Manager and SMS. Go. And let's try the SMS platform. Boom. The Hot S3X took that one. So you can see that the variation between app start times are really in between. Sometimes it goes to the 6X, sometimes it goes to the S3X. So you can't really tell. Both these devices use very closely matched processors. But the internal storage and the RAM is quite lower on this one. So I guess they've done a bit of optimization on the Hot 6X over here. So I'm going to be trying out video play on both of these devices. I'm going to play a video from 2 weeks ago. So for video play, both of these devices play at very similar rates. Remember, they both have 720p screens, so you would not have any difference when it comes to video playback on both these devices. So they are par, no issues with viewing angles. They look pretty good. Now it's time for us to go through memory management, where I'll be testing if both these devices can keep apps in the memory for long without having to relaunch those apps. I suppose that the Hot S3X here should do better since it has a larger RAM capacity, but let's see, who knows. Do Gmail, do Maps. Again, the S3X seems to be a tad bit slow. It's weird. It's really weird that the Hot S6S is doing much better. Do Google News. You see what I'm saying? Again, there's that slow bit of starting the app. I mean, when you click on it, it takes about a second or two before the app pops up. Let's do Twitter. 1, 2, 3. Again, that slowness in the Hot S3X. I don't know if it's my phones, but I want to believe that there's something wrong or there's something going on the Hot S3X. Let's just do one more app to be sure. So this is the Play Store. 1, 2, 3, and go. Again, the same thing. So the next part we're going to be trying out on both these devices is the camera. But before we do that, let me just take you through the specifications on both of them. Remember, on my right here is the S3X and the Hot S6X is on the left here. Both these phones spot a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera at the rear of the device, but the Hot S3X has a much better performing camera overall. Its pictures are sharper, better color calibrated, and overall much pleasing to look at. The Hot S3X also performs much faster than the Hot 6X, enabling you capture moments faster than you would on the 6X. The Hot S3X's front-facing camera also performs much better than the 6X's, offering wider viewing angles, sharper images, and better exposure management. You'd see this from the images on your screen. So in conclusion, which of these devices should you go for? I would still recommend the Hot S3X here since it has better specifications. I believe the stuttering and the slow start of apps is due to software optimization, which can be provided at any time. The Hot 6X here also has a very good build and looks very good. In fact, these phones are practically the same phone. So if you're not very buoyant on budget, you can go for the Hot 6X here. But if you have a little bit of extra cash, you can go for the Hot S3X over here. Both phones look and feel great in the hand, and the 720p display panels are also very good. But I'll be leaving the prices on the screen so you can see how much both of these devices cost, and I'll also leave the specifications, the full specifications to both of these devices on the screen as well. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and please hit the subscribe button so you help me reach 20,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Peace.